Okay, so we will start now with session timing. This is today's agenda, session timing and how to trade EDAs in session, or when to trade and when to take a trade. So after this point, we will take furthermore down, going more in depth on daily structure. And if there is no setup, then there is no trade, because in my opinion, there are too many retail traders who are trying to catch every move they see. They sitting all the day long on their computer and watching for setups and taking, I don't know, 20 trades or something like this, and they all are going to lose up. So if there is no setup, there is no trade. We will go more in depth later. But yes, let's go for the first point, which is session timing. So the financial markets have 3 sessions on a daily basis. This is the first one, is the Asian session. The second one is the New York and London session. And third one is the New York session. So, all right, we got something in our chat. Yes, we will do then check Euro JPY. We can do this then. But first, let us start with our points, so we can wrap this up. All right, so like I said, the financial markets have 3 sessions every day. So I wouldn't recommend to you to trade the Asian session, because most of the time it's ending up in consolidation. This is part of our daily structure. So as you can see here, this is from when New York session is ending and gets into Asian session when it goes until, I think, 10 a.m. would be a good point to trade. So when London session is opening, most of the time price is coming at the end of the day in a consolidation to accumulate orders for the next day. So like you see here, guys, it's not always that perfect, not always, especially on EUR/CZAR. So if you are, if we just, for example, take a look at Euro USD, I think this would be better, much better. Yes, something like this. So as you can see here, and another one point is, guys, what do we told you from the last webinars? Like, what is happening after this zones has been worked? This Asian session consolidation accumulation zones has been worked. Let me know in chat room what you think I'm talking about. Someone can say something about this? What did we told you the last webinars? What we are looking for? And what type of, I would say, setup is happening while these Asian sessions? What is happening and why it's happening?
So I can't hear you well. I can hear you.
Yes, great. All right.
Well.
What is happening here? Problem, reaction, solution, guys. This is what we are told you over the last few webinars every day. And I want to get you to understand this is daily market structure. This is how the financial market works. So if we are looking for those setups, we don't trade ASEAN session. We only trade a London session and New York session opening. So most of the time when London session openings, there's a stop hunt, like you see here, to the previous low of the day, or sometimes to the high of the previous day. So just to accumulate orders while that's becoming a trap for you. So if you want to trade these setups, you have to keep in mind that you first look at the overall market structure. So from this week, but also from the last week, because we already know the markets are fractals, and most of the time it's a weekly structure from pump and dump all over the way, guys. Yes. So if you are looking at this right about here, we can see a clearly pump and dump game which is happening all over the place. And now I want to show you some type of trade you can take even when you didn't get in at the top. We already know what induction trends are. So induction trends are traps. So if we have a clear down trend, yes, where everyone can see it, there will be traps. Traps, or better said, induction trends, are something like this here, where a zone is worked and give to retail traders, I would say, a confirmation to buy. Yes. So retail traders are coming down and seeing this zone right about here as a support level. Yes. A kind of support. Yes. So market makers came down, making that low right about here at the previous day, coming down again, making the W formation, worked the low 3 times, and then the most important thing by this induction trends is almost the one. Wait, this is not working like I wanted to do. 1, 2, 3, and goodbye. So while retail traders are willing to buy at the zones, we sell here. We sell here. Yes. So another one great example would be, I think, here. Yes. Another one, induction trend at a support level, which becomes later a resistance. Another one trend. So also you can see here an M formation at the high of the day, retest of the DMAs, which would be also nice confirmation to us to sell, to look for a sell at the zone, while we also get another one great example of problem, reaction, and solution. Yes, prices accumulating at this level, giving confirmations to retail traders to buy at this zone. And then I think London session, they broke the low, sell off, coming down one more time, making this induction trend, and continuation of the trend is following later there. So let me mark this, let me get this trend, shift, induction, continuation. I hope everyone is getting this until now, because this is literally simple work. If you know this and if you understand how the system works, you can make money. You don't have to become a slave of the system. which you probably was your entire time of trading, because retail traders information are shared for free in the internet, and so everyone can get it. And this is pretty good for the market makers, because they don't have to sell you something or stuff like this. They give you this for free, and you trust them, because why not? Why not trusting your bank? Why not trusting your broker? I mean, his business is to make money from you. His business is to take your money. Yes. So market manipulation is what you need to understand. Continue downtrend or not? Yes, I'm expecting it to go furthermore down. I will take a look. All right, let's take a look now. Just This could be some type of a wedge formation coming up here. As I think this will become a fake support. Market makers came already down, worked the low, or better said, worked the support level, accumulating right now orders to buy, and then they will drop furthermore down. I think so, yeah. Kashif, what do you think, bro? What do you think?
What I think is the same. I see a kind of head and shoulder pattern as well here. You see a multi-session head and shoulder pattern, and it's going down for sure.
Yes, I think so too. I think so too. All right. Yes. Let's get back to the Euro USD. So as I said, induction trends are traps, yes? And once you seeing a type of rejection of a zone, you can look for a trend reversal, sorry. A little bit ill. So let's see if we can get another one great example. This one would be also valid, I think. A little bit tricky, but if you see this, with that M formation at the high of the day, coming here and drop more. So we have the problem, we have the reaction, and we have the solution. 10 pip stop loss at the high of the day for, I don't know, 50 pips or something like this, or even 100 pips. Easy, guys, easy pips on a daily basis. Another one time, we see here nice M formation at the high of the day. The problem, reaction, solution. Retest of the DMAs, which is also another one great. Yes, I will do them. I will do this. Yes. Another one right about here. Make it M, drop. Every day the same shit. All right, so let's have a look at GBP, JPY. What it will do? Oh, Kashif, I was right.
Huh?
I was right on
Yeah.
this one.
Yeah.
Problem, reaction. This is a kind of reaction right now, which is happening. I wouldn't look for a sell because I think at this zone, it's probably going higher to 136 or 137. So here.
Exactly.
Yes. I don't see any clear setup right now to look for a sell. But since it's Friday, it could also drop. I don't know. I wouldn't recommend to trade it right now. You can look for a buy if you want. Yes. But we don't trade these
Yeah, I
these
was actually
bullshit.
looking at the buy just before it goes down, probably sometime next week.
What are you saying, Comfort?
I'm saying on the GBP pair, I was looking for the buy. I
Yes.
was looking to trade the stop hand, and then I would look for a sell sometime next week, earlier on Wednesday, I think. Tuesday, Wednesday, yeah.
Yeah, maybe as the high of the week from this week would be here, I would consider to make something like this. We're going to draw.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and one more. There are two more setups I think that are going to come in the next weeks. GBP SEK and yeah, GBP
GBP what?
SEK.
SE.
SEK. Yeah,
Oh, very exotic.
very exotic. Yeah,
Yes, very exotic.
but very beneficial. That is where the real deal is. When no one is watching, market maker makes money.
Yes. All right, let's have a look. Interesting. In my opinion, it could be a sell. In my opinion.
Yeah.
If you ask me, an interesting zone would be here for a take profit. So they also have this wick here where traders are trapped. So we already got the this information accumulating right about here. Something like this, retest of the DMA, then drop. Yes. What do you think?
Zoom out a bit of the.
Sure.
Zoom out more. Yeah. I think so. It has done 1, 2. Yeah, it will. I think it will still try to reach the high of the week in the next coming week, and then it will drop. It will not go to the other two left side highs.
Yes.
But it will drop,
Not
and it
bad.
will be a good. It will be a good sell setup.
So for this, I would say first we're looking for a sell, and I don't think that they will come below the zone here. I don't think so. I think they will continue
it's a strong
moving
support.
up then.
Yeah, up and then come down.
Yes.
And the next.
Yes.
No, continue. I'm listening.
I would say if we see prices coming to this point, making some type of, I don't know, maybe the low of the week or something like this next week, I will look for buy. And yes, this is like GBP USD this week. It looks a little bit like
GBP.
Yes.
Exactly. So yeah, let's have a look on AUD USD.
Yes.
The one that I mentioned, all of the guys, that is not coming on the sell, and it did the same thing.
All right. I'll take profit. One was
Nice induction. Nice induction, you know, nice induction.
Yes. All right, let's delete everything so we can look on the naked chart. So pretty interesting. No, that's not the type. I don't want it.
Nice W formation, multi-session.
Yes.
But it's approaching a major resistance level where on the left side of the structure.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, let's see.
In my opinion, I don't see here any setup right now.
Yeah.
To take.
That's what. Yeah, that's what I said.
Yes.
There is no sell. This is just a buy. You know.
Yes. Yeah, I don't see anything right about here. So, cute little information. Maybe, I don't know, they will drop a little bit and then continuation of the trend. But for now, I wouldn't recommend to take any position on AUD USD, etc.
Exactly.
Yes.
Yeah, because they are just going to buy the middle. I think. Let's see. Let's hope how it turns out. We will react accordingly on this here. Let's have a look at GB USD.
Sure. This looks good for me. This could be a sell. This is like GBP SE key. Was it? Yes, this was right. So market makers come up, making that high, work the high, drop a little bit of it down. So now this is Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Sunday, Monday. Type of rejection coming up, induction trend. One more time, stop hunting the high of the last week. Yes, guys, this is very important. The high and low of the last week or yesterday's low of the day and stuff like this, where you look for a good entry. So, in my opinion, this looks pretty interesting. They closed below, I think so. Well, broke a little bit out of it. As today is a holiday, and also on Monday there will be lower liquidity, low volume, and market makers are not on the table by these days. It will be pretty boring to trade. So yeah, in my opinion, it looks for a sell. I would look for a sell. Yeah. What do you think, Kashif? What do you think?
I think so. The same. I think they'll make a dip for a sell and then go up, but not now. There's no liquidity. there is no good, always if you want to check something is going fishy, always check the spreads
Yes,
tell all the tale, of the market maker. He's
that's
sitting on
right.
the desk or not sitting
The session
not sitting on
changeovers, for example, on market, on high impact news on the market and stuff like this. This is the time where spreads are higher. Let me have a look at it. I don't think that it will come up now. I think they will first drop it to induce more sellers. Yes.
Hmm.
1, 2, 3. Another one great example. Here, here, here. Going to short it to this zone here, making something like this. So stop hunting the high one more time, making what they have to do above here, and then yes, drop again. So this is my opinion about GBP SEK. Let's see how it will play out.
Yeah.
Any other setups that we should look for or have a look at? So USD JPY is doing what I expected to do. I think this was yesterday when yesterday I drew this out. So I was thinking that type of consolidation here, stop hunting inducement for a sell, and now I think it's going more up
Yeah.
to the next zone. To the next zone. Yes. All right, Kashif, do you want to take over and tell us something or show us something? We have 10 minutes left.
No, it's okay. I think we already covered, and let's have a look at the last pair USD card.
Yes.
My favorite, my all-time favorite. What I want to tell these guys that if you master the movement of structure and then focus of even one pair, you'll be able to make consistent profits.
That's the point.
You don't need 100 pairs. You just need one good pair.
Yes.
So have a look at USD CAD. It has done as we expected, a W and a zigzag movement.
Yes.
Stop
And I
hunt.
was trading this one yesterday, this induction trend for the down. So, and then I took this W formation I was trading. By the way, I was not watching your webinar for this. This was just my opinion about the market. So I sold right about here. This was the point when I sold. Closed my sell here at this low. Then I saw, all right, we are going to do our confirmation trade. Yes, so let's have a buy. So, and yes, guys, this is problem reaction solution. This is how this works. Yes, and this works. If you only use this, if you only focus on this setup, you can make a living out of it. And we not only showed you this setup, guys, we show you so many setups where you can make money.
And I even told the guys how the market maker is hiding behind the news.
Yes.
And it is not, I'm not some kind of superhuman that I knew that what they are going to do. I just knew the market structure. What is their next move? You know, they are very predictable.
Absolutely.
A few dirty tricks, you know, and if you master those dirty tricks, you will be making money alongside the market maker, you know.
Yes. You just have to know when the market makers came in. This is where you can use the traps. The traps. Where retail traders are getting in, those are the points where market makers came also in. So you use, what is the name for it? Reverse engineering, yes? So take everything you have and just put it 180. And then you have the right opinion about it and the right, I would say, point of view. So yes.
I would also suggest the guys in our group to open it's a free trading view account. You should go and have your charts done on the trading view rather than the FX, because you cannot draw things most of the time on the normal MetaTrader 4. So yeah, use trading view. It's free, 100%.
That's the point. That's the point. All right, so we had our first.
I will look at the trading view. Thank you.
What you just said?
The trading view. We'll take a look at it.
Can you type it in our chat, because I don't understand you totally good? Please type it in our chat.
Yeah, trading view. What do you want to ask about trading view? That is the question.
Well, trading view is like MetaTrader 4, you know, but in my opinion, with all those tools you have here, and also the point that you can share your analysis on TradingView, which is most of the most popular sites for sharing your views about your analysis, yes, and it's like Kashif said, totally free of any costs. And you can share even your analysis with other ones by just copy and paste it to the groups like we do sometimes. But most of the times we just taking a screenshot and send it to you guys. So I would recommend to you to always use for your analysis and backtesting sessions TradingView rather than MetaTrader 4, because you have so many tools, and for me personally it looks more prettier, you know. With pleasure. With pleasure. All right, so I think this was everything for today. We will have the next session next week. Probably we're going to be on Monday or Tuesday, but I would say let's do it on Tuesday.
Yeah.
So thanks for tuning in, everyone. Wish you guys a nice weekend. Enjoy it and backtest it. Backtest all the stuff we try to give you if you're on your way. And yes, all right, that's great. That's great. Thank you, guys. So bye. We see us.
Bye. Have a nice weekend, guys.
Yeah, thank you. You too, bro. Bye.